Sometimes I feel like living in fantasy world. If you feel the same, this video is for you. Hello, namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a mushroom house with some waste material. All I have some newspaper, Fevicol, tissue, old plastic bottle, poster color and cardboard. First of all, I have cut out this bottle into two pieces by using a knife and this cardboard into rectangular shape. Now I take a bowl filled with water and I'm adding some glue to it. Now dip the tissue into the glue and start covering the bottle. Instead of dipping the tissue into the water, cover the bottle with the tissue and then you apply the glue on it. I have applied almost 4-5 layers of tissues. Now take the newspaper and crush it like this. Next I am applying glue on the top and roll the paper on it in this way. The same way I have crushed the newspaper and made a ball and I am placing it on the top. Now the next thing is to cover the newspaper with the tissues. Repeat the process. And now I am keeping it in the sunlight for few hours to dry. It's fully dried now. Apply the glue on the edge and join it on the rectangular shape. Let it dry. Now I'll add some more tissues to give the feel of the grass and door and more coating of glue and water. Time to color it. I don't have acrylic paint and a paint brush, so I'm using my old makeup brush here. You can use acrylic paint here. I'll color the top with the red color and bottom with yellow color, and the door with the brown color and the grass with green color. Using the tip of the brush, I am making some white dots on the red area like a polka dot. And I am using the toothpick and I'll give more detailing to it. And it's done. good to you also. Like the video and tell me in the comment. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.